there we are. Oh, yes. Love the smell. I love the smell. Oh, I like the smell of 93. It smells all right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Garlet's High Performance Garage channel on this fine, wonderful fucking Saturday that I just got off work from. Yeah. Oh, well, it's pretty bad. You gotta work, 6 days a week to fucking make ends meet, and most of the time with the way things are, you still can't even make things in your ends meet working all that fucking overtime. So, yeah. And having a holiday here last check fucking killed me. Thanksgiving killed me. Fucking killed me. Had a $300 bill for groceries. Fucking cell phones are through the fucking roof. Need to go reevaluate that plan. And somebody I live with won't let me shut the cable down and just use the fucking apps. I hate cable TV. There's nothing on that motherfucker. And it's like, if you want to watch something, pay for an app instead of the whole cable. Get rid of the cable, pay for the apps. But anyhow, I'm sure the rest of you middle-class working stiffs out there, if any of you watch my channel, that you actually go out and work for a living, I'm sure you're feeling the pain of everyday costs fucking killing you, like groceries and gasoline and energy, all that bullshit. Fucking electricity is through the roof, and they can do that because there's no competition. They have no competition. That's why they can just dictate the fucking price and just do an estimate. Instead of coming to read your meter, they just do an estimate. Oh, well, last year at this time, this is what you used, and this is what you're going to pay. Yeah, asshole. You want me to send my reading in to you? I can email the motherfucker in to you. I can give you the fucking reading on the cocksucker. But I had to switch over to a digital meter instead of the old one that has the turntable in it. So those old ones you could have the turntable on. That had the turntable on them, you could put a magnet on it and it would make it work harder to spin around there, and it would slow it down. If you had a big old strong stiff magnet to put on the side of the box, like one off a 6x9 speaker works. Or if you can pull the seal apart that holds the lid shut on the box, pull that seal apart so you don't damage it. Instead of cutting it, you just peel it apart, like put a pair of pliers in there and just fucking run them out there. And you pull that metal out of the seal, out of that plastic, and then open the box up. You can take the meter, you can unplug it, turn it upside down, those old ones with the turntable, and plug it back in. The wheel will run backwards, or run your fucking numbers back. You do that like 2 or 3 times a week. Thing is, if you just knew when they come to read the son of a bitch, so you don't get caught. Because if you get caught, you pay fines and shit for doing that. Just a couple of tricks of the old meters, the old ones that have the turntable. Mine, the connection on the one corner got bad, and it started building up heat, and it ruined 2 of my breakers. So I had to have it replaced, and the digital one is now what they replace it with, because you can't do anything to change the readings. You can't, manipulate them. So, anyway, sounds like a little bit of rain. Is it raining? It wouldn't surprise me at this fucking point. Because why wouldn't it rain right after you get the fuck off work? Anyway, this little cold start was brought to you by electric car fuel, which you will see us uncovering more after I'm done running my mouth to you about stupid shit. about meaningless nothingness. So, anyway, I have been looking for, other work. I always do. I always do look for other jobs that I think are better than the last. I do hunt around a good bit for other employment to see if I can just better myself. Right now I'm retirement minded because I'm 45. I'm going to turn 46 here in April. And it's always good to have retirement. It's a good thing to have a retirement to fall back on. Right now I got some money into Edward Jones I'm going to take the fuck out and put somewhere else, because these Edward Jones fuckers, they take too much money off the top of what you put in. Whatever I put in there, like where I work puts in, they'll match me dollar for dollar to a certain percentage, and then if I want any more than that, it's all me then after that. But what happens is Edward Jones takes 2% of every fucking bit of money that you put in there in a 401. Or, well, it's not really. I didn't have a 401. It was a IRA that I was putting money into. So you gain and you don't lose anything. But Edward Jones, they got their hands in the cookie jar. And I found out Prudential does not do that. They don't charge you anything, because they get their money through other sources, and they can offer this to you by not taking any money off the top of your bottom line. So I'm going to end up switching my shit over to Prudential because they don't charge you anything. Plus, I just roll it over, and hopefully I won't have to pay any taxes on that money. Maybe I can just roll it over and not worry about it. I'm not sure how that works. My dad did the same thing. He got out of Edward Jones because they weren't producing. They weren't working for you. And they don't update you. They don't tell you what your money's doing. They just, there it is. It's in there. It's in there, big guy. Don't worry about it. Do you want a hat? Yeah, you taking that 2% off the top for me, that a hat's gonna satisfy me. Sure, what the fuck? Morons. But anyway, we're gonna switch it over and all that shit. But I do have another electric car fuel discovery video for you all to see. It wasn't a bad explosion. It was okay. It could have been better, however. It could have been way better. I don't know why it's not better. I guess they're just getting tight with their powder, I guess. I don't know. But anyhow, that's all I got for you. My truck here did need started up. And after the holidays here, we're going to be tearing into the 84 C10 Chevy truck up here in the yard. It needs all kinds of shit done to it. It'll probably be on the lift for a fucking month before I get everything done to it. It needs things like, I'm going to run the 305 that's in it for a little while. I need to pull the engine out of the sports truck up here. It has a good 350 in it. And we're going to pull it out and slap it down in there sometime. But it needs lots of work. So anyhow, everybody, have a great weekend. And I will see you all here on the next one. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you like this explosion. Happy fucking Friday, everybody. We found some fucking electric car fuel. We're going to have to blast for it.
Johnny's truck there, Johnny.
Here we go.
All right.
Want to start this bitch off the right way. Start off a Friday the right way. you electric car hippie faggots can drive your gay little homo cars around. We found y'all some fuel. I'm gonna go get it. Dust interference here. Y'all a shot of what we're doing here. Down in the hole.
Minutes to blast.
I got 30 seconds or less. Gonna blow some shit up for you electric car douchebags. There's some fuel to run the power plant now to charge your batteries. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. See how far this blows the fuck up. Oh, I felt that one. Kaboom. That didn't come over the other wall though. Oh my God. Oh, we're all gonna die. Those trees over there, well, they'll be loving that dust. They'll love it. All that rubble. I was wondering when the fuck they were gonna blow that up. They ain't fucking with it all week long. Fucking around. I was wondering when they were gonna do it. There's some more job security. I'll tell y'all something right now. Your electric car fuel is not from renewable sources like what you would call clean energy. That's bullshit. There's no such thing. No such thing, motherfucker. It doesn't all come from windmills and fucking solar panels. How do you think they make solar panels? Coal. Coal's the main ingredient in solar panels. That's how they make them. So either way, we're either getting electric car fuel or we're getting coal out to make solar panels. Y'all have a lot to learn. Look it up. Look up what I'm telling you. It's all true what I'm saying. Windmills up on the mountain, they're powered by diesel engines. That's what makes them motherfuckers. That's what controls their speed. Because if you'd let the fucking wind just blow, and they would just blow with the wind, those motherfuckers would fly to pieces. The wind blows on that mountain fucking hard. That's all bullshit. So, well, everybody, there's your daily dose of blowing shit up for electric cars in your house and the making of solar panels everywhere. See y'all later. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.